Imagine a weapon so fast it could cross the Atlantic in under 20 minutes. So unpredictable it dodges every defense system in the world. And so powerful it could level a city in the blink of an eye. This isn't science fiction. This is Russia's Avangard Hypersonic missile. But why does it terrify NATO and the United States? Is it truly unstoppable, or is this just Cold War fear in a new, faster package? Let's dive in, because what you're about to hear could change the future of warfare. In 2018, the world watched as Vladimir Putin stood on stage and revealed something shocking, a missile system he called invincible. It wasn't just another ICBM. It was something entirely new. The Avangard, a hypersonic glide vehicle launched from a ballistic missile, flying faster than anything the world had ever seen, while dodging defenses like a ghost. To Russia, it's checkmate against NATO, a weapon designed not just to destroy, but to intimidate. Why is the Avangard so powerful and such a nightmare for NATO? It all comes down to three terrifying words: speed, unpredictability, payload. Let's start with speed. The Avangard doesn't just fly fast. It screams through the sky at Mach 20 to Mach 27. That's 20,000 miles per hour, enough to fly from Moscow to New York in under 20 minutes. But speed alone isn't what makes it dangerous. The Avangard is a hypersonic glide vehicle, meaning after launch it detaches from its ICBM and dives into the upper atmosphere. From there, it glides, not in a straight line, but weaving and swerving unpredictably. This is a nightmare for modern defense systems. The USA defense systems like THAAD and Aegis, as well as NATO's best interceptors, built to target predictable arcs. But the Avangard? It dances between them. It can carry a 2-megaton nuclear warhead. That's 133 times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. One strike could erase a city, Los Angeles, Berlin, London, gone in seconds. Even without a warhead, the raw kinetic energy of the Avangard, traveling faster than a bullet, packs the explosive force of 21 tons of TNT. The Avangard isn't just dangerous because of what it can do, it's dangerous because of what it makes others feel. For NATO generals and U.S. defense officials, it's a nightmare scenario. First, it defeats missile defense. Billions have been spent creating shields to intercept traditional missiles, but the Avangard slips through those nets like a shadow. Second, it kills reaction time. From launch to detonation, you have 15 to 20 minutes. That's not enough time to verify, decide, or respond. Leaders are forced into split-second decisions, sometimes life or death, world-ending decisions. Third, warhead ambiguity. Is that incoming Avangard carrying a nuke, or just a conventional payload targeting a base? No one knows until it hits. And by then, it's too late. This weapon doesn't just destroy, it plays mind games. And that's what makes it so powerful. So how does the Avangard stack up against the deadliest missiles in the world? Let's start with China's DF-41, a monster ICBM. It can hit Mach 25, carries multiple nuclear warheads, and reaches anywhere in the U.S., but it flies in a predictable arc. That makes it easier to track and shoot down. Then there's the U.S. Trident II, launched from submarines. Hits Mach 24, also MIRV-capable. Incredibly reliable, but again, not evasive. A well-prepared enemy might intercept it. Russia's own Kinzhal missile, used in Ukraine, flies at Mach 10 and is air-launched. But here's the thing. It's been shot down by Patriot systems. That shows hypersonics aren't invincible. And finally, America's future hope, the Dark Eagle, a long-range hypersonic weapon. Aimed to hit Mach 1720, it's accurate, fast, and non-nuclear, but it's still in development, not battle-ready just yet. The Avangard doesn't just fly fast, it flies straight into the heart of global stability. To Russia, it's a way to level the playing field, a weapon that ensures no matter how advanced U.S. defenses get, they can always hit back. Deployed on Russia's RS-28 Sarmat, also known as Satan II, it becomes part of a chilling new era. First strike survivability. Even if Russia's hit first, the Avangard guarantees revenge. For NATO, it's a wake-up call. Their shield is no longer bulletproof. It's a game of psychological warfare now. Who blinks first? But the truth? This isn't about destroying the world. Both the US and Russia already have that capability. This is about sending a message. The arms race isn't over, it's just evolved. And right now, Russia's in the lead. The Avangard is fast, it's evasive, it's terrifying. But is it unstoppable? Or is this just the newest chapter in a long, dangerous game between superpowers? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is Russia's hypersonic leap truly a game changer, or just another weapon in the endless dance of deterrence? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you want more epic breakdowns of the world's most advanced weapons.